The key is to unlearn what you have learned and allow your mind to return to its original state of clarity and unlimited potential. Deep inside, we feel that we are not here by chance, that our beliefs do not completely fit with either those of others or our own. Despite having manifested things and achieved dreams, we still experience a sense that something is missing in our lives. That relentless pursuit, that relentless rush, and the unsettling feeling that time is slipping away catches up with us. Throughout your life, you have been constantly looking outside of yourself, either for material objects or answers. This is because, somehow, you felt you didn't fit in. You unknowingly ignored the powerful tools that were always within you, deep inside you. The path to self-realization and the manifestation of your desires begins from within, in your true essence. At times, we get distracted by obsessing about the future or get caught in the relentless grip of the past. The purpose of life seems to be a mirage that deceives us as we constantly look to the horizon of the future. This approach leads us on a never-ending quest for unattainable dreams and distant goals. We become trapped in the labyrinth of our own traumas and dramas, entangled in repetitive patterns of behavior. We project our shadows into the future and the past, thinking that we will find the solution in external things. However, instead of opening ourselves to evolution and liberation, we involuntarily bind ourselves to an endless cycle of repetition, trapped in a labyrinth of experiences that makes us move in endless circles. We willingly immerse ourselves in a deep and complex game, a game that originates in the shadows of our own inner world. But here is the key. We can break this cycle, find answers, and experience a profound transformation. The path to liberation is within our reach, and it is time to discover it. In this world, we are scarred by the unhealed wounds of our inner child. Although these wounds are invisible, they cast long shadows that prevent us from growing, keeping us trapped in their influence. Furthermore, we are conditioned to believe that peace, tranquility, and acceptance can only be achieved if we change the world around us. However, the root of our suffering lies not in the ever-changing outside world, but in our own perceptions, attachments, and desires. You must learn to let go of control. You must be aware that you do not manage anything in this life, but you attract the situations and people with which you vibrate. For this reason, let go of the past that does not belong to you. What does this mean? Well, you have to let go of old ideas and beliefs that you have been dragging from your past and that are making you not have the life you really want to have today. When we understand that we are attached to things or people and that this attachment is the source of our suffering, we also realize that our reality is the result of our conditioning, influenced by society, culture, and our personal experiences. It is like an illusion, a dream in which we unconsciously choose to experience the events of our life according to our personality. But it does not have to be this way. We constantly find ourselves dissatisfied, always searching for something that seems beyond our reach. We tirelessly pursue the next challenge, the next adventure, the next victory or achievement. We believe fulfillment and happiness are on the horizon, convinced that glory will come when we reach our goals. However, when we finally get there or achieve what we desire, the sense of accomplishment and pleasure that we mistake for happiness quickly leaves us. Then, we go out into the world again in search of more goals, more desires, more achievements, and more victories. The key is to recognize this pattern and understand that true fulfillment lies within, not in the perpetual pursuit of external things. The law of attraction teaches us to find fulfillment in the present and to free ourselves from the illusion of the ego that pushes us to constantly pursue something beyond ourselves. When you wonder if you are on the right path, your tendency to cling to those thoughts makes you believe that it is you who originates them and that you really know what you want. However, you must understand that your tastes and beliefs are not necessarily your own, but ideas that were instilled in you and that you have accepted at some point in your life. When you begin to practice detachment, you begin to adopt an objective perspective, observing your thoughts as if they belong to a third person. You embark on a journey to unravel the layers of conditioning that have woven the illusion of self. As you progress along this path, you approach a state of liberation and authentic enlightenment, where the true essence of your being shines through, freed from the illusions of separation and ego. The process of detachment is not only limited to our goals and objectives, but also involves freeing ourselves from preconceived beliefs about our earthly identity. Our purpose in this existence goes beyond the superficial and the material. It is an evolution and a liberation from the invisible bonds that hold our soul captive. Therefore, it is crucial that we take a moment in our day, a precious pause, to connect with the deep sense of wholeness that resides within us. A pause to reconnect with our essence, remembering how we felt when we came into this world. Take a moment to reflect with an open mind. Ask who you really are. Are you your name? Are you your profession? Are you the set of roles you play in society? When you begin to question your identity in this way, you embark on a journey towards self-discovery and understanding who you really are, beyond the external labels and roles that society has given you. You are more than the physical. You are consciousness, a network of knowledge and wisdom that goes beyond matter. This consciousness transcends the mind and is therefore not limited to earthly knowledge. We must accept that everything we think we are is only a narrative woven by the complex workings of the mind. It does not represent the essence of our true self. Our true essence transcends superficial boundaries, existing beyond forms, places, and dimensions. To awaken from the dream of the ego, we must travel a path of deep awareness and mindfulness in the present, in the here and now. As we immerse ourselves in this search for our true essence, we discover a reality that goes beyond the appearances and illusions of the outer world. In essence, we are life itself, an expansive and unlimited consciousness. It is crucial to recognize that the true essence of life lies in the present moment, an instant that invites us to fully immerse ourselves in the intricate dance of existence. In the present, we are encouraged to free ourselves from the burdens of our problems and to let go of the chains of our worries. When we relinquish relentless control over the future, we understand that life is not a destination, but an endless journey. Every breath, every heartbeat, every encounter, and every detail contributes to sculpting the essence of our existence. By forgiving and releasing our past, we understand that life has taught us the lessons necessary to develop our full potential. To focus solely on the horizon of the future is to lose sight of the beauty and wonder to be found in each fleeting moment. Likewise, to focus only on the past is to undervalue the gifts available in the here and now. With this perspective, we experience true freedom, which frees us from the chains of expectation, revealing the limitless potential inherent in the present. By recognizing that in this moment nothing is wrong unless we choose to believe otherwise, we understand that the present becomes the channel through which we achieve perfection, wholeness, and harmony. It is in this state of deep appreciation of the present moment that we discover the essence of our being and the power of the law of attraction at its best. Difficult circumstances are but teachers of the lessons necessary to develop our full potential. Every challenge, every obstacle, shapes our character and propels us toward growth. Therefore, It is essential to remember that directing our attention inward and living in the present moment leads us to a state of serenity and liberation. In contrast, when we focus our attention on the past or the future, we give life to our fears, limiting beliefs and anxieties. The very essence of existence lies in the here and now, the only moment that truly exists. Fully embracing what is happening in the present becomes the key to a profound transformation in our lives. Thoughts flow through us like a river, and when we practice detached action toward our goals and dreams, we find peace, reduce stress, and experience the freedom to act without fear of failure. That is when the magic happens and you begin to vibrate in the right way in order to attract your deepest dreams into your life. Focusing on the present allows us to fully enjoy the process. When we release our attachments to the past and the future, when the ego no longer dominates us, when we know our true essence and live in the present, we experience true freedom. Here, in this state of freedom, the ecstasy of the conscious mind flourishes. It is important to remember that some seek pleasure and power as the main goal in their lives, but this path does not lead to the supreme state of ecstasy. Those who allow themselves to be carried away by these selfish desires cannot reach the highest goal of consciousness and serenity. Therefore, discovering our true essence and living in the present leads us to a deeper freedom and a fuller sense of life. Within us resides the key that frees us from outcome anxiety and consumes our selfish desires. When we act without attachment to results, we come closer to the materialization of our desires. Detached action is the path that leads us towards our goals. It allows us to act in alignment with our values and principles, without being tied to the fruits of our actions. We make conscious decisions and cultivate deep discipline. Interestingly, what we work for, our divine purpose, materializes without additional effort. We find fulfillment and happiness along the way. It is essential to direct our attention inward, cultivating the inner peace that overcomes the turmoil of the outside world. The journey, the search, the path, was always and will always be within us. So, remember, when you act without anxiety for results, you get closer to wisdom, freedom, and the materialization of your goals. Leave a comment saying I connect with my inner self and vibrate with the universe. If you really manage to do so, there will be nothing in this world that will resist you. Now go to the next video to continue learning how to manifest the life you want, but not before giving a like. Hit the bell and subscribe to the channel, because I promise you that your life will change in an incredible way. I wish you the best in your life and see you in the next video.